Want to unrestrict profile on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to unrestrict profile on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by launching the Instagram app on your device. Then click on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down to how others can interact with you. Tap on the restricted button. Now click on the unrestrict button. And that's how you can unrestrict profile on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.